We're going, we're live. Okay, we're here to open some packages. We got 4 packages. We're gonna do a couple quick ones, 3 quick ones, but we're gonna shorten these episodes down. We're gonna be grinding these motherfuckers out. We got a lot of shit to open for you guys. But we're gonna start with this big ass one here. Big ass doobie right here. Yeah, it's like triple layered. Let's just start counting. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's upside down. Ramen rug. Is that not badass as fuck? This is released by Hypeland. This was released quite a while ago, but it was pretty limited for a minute. They only released a few of them. They resold for like $400. I think it's like a $288 rug. I don't remember the exact price. I'm sure they're still on the website, and they did a Black Friday deal where they were like $150, and I was kind of pissed off that I paid so much. It's a nice ass fucking rug. And Hypeland is known for starting to do home goods. You can get a few rugs from them. I got this Sharingan rug from a while back. Next item is from Palace. It is going to be a piece of jewelry. Yeah. Jewelry time! Packaging, pretty aesthetic, black, gold trim. Yeah. This is a golden duck pendant. The chain is gold, and the pendant is solid sterling silver, and then it's I think it was like double dipped, or it was dipped in an amount of gold, so there's the gold on it, but it's not solid. But honestly, it's kind of cool. I don't know if you can get a close look on that. It's a little Palace duck holding a little Peebo. Got a standard little clasp on the back of it. Looks like it's some chain links. Yeah. What's going on? Am I blinging? Yeah, we're blinging. Fuck yeah, thank you, Palace. Thank you for the drip. Next item was gonna be this big fucking hellscape of some boots. These items were sent from Beeline and BBC, Billionaire Boys Club Ice Cream. It's a collab they did with Timberland, and it's gonna be some really cool fucking shoes for you guys. Box number 1. Now, I haven't bought a pair of Timbs in a very long time, so let's see what these things look like coming in. Oh, these are the orange ones. Look at that. Nice, vibrant orange. With the blue on the laces with the orange. Oh, come on. You could stunt with these, like. Says Beeline, says Timberland. Yep. Cool collab. Let me just dab sweat going off me. Yellow. Check these out. These ones, it's between the orange and the yellow, it's really hard. I really like these purple and yellow Lakers colors, like Los Angeles laces. Like you could wear these with like any kind of Lakers gear and it would look literally baller as fuck. So like, that's a plus side. And it comes with the regular Timberland laces too. Like it comes with the bright yellow and the purple, so like you can really kind of wear these however you want. Just be prepared to have a bright yellow fucking shit. That was 4 items, that was a lot of items, so yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Let's do it.